Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my 2024 eyeshadow project pan finale slash my eyeshadow project pan 2025 intro. I am not rebooting my eyeshadow project pan. I've decided that I do not want to. I just want to keep rolling over until I feel like I need a refresh or until I feel like being done panning eyeshadows, but I'm enjoying the way I am doing this so far. If you are new to this style of video on my channel, the way I do eyeshadow project pans is I randomize eyeshadows, and then from that eyeshadow palette I randomize a number from that. And I actually do have a rollout today, so let's start with that. I finally used the ColourPop Soul palette in the shade B and B 50 times, actually 51 times, because on that final use I did use it 3 different ways, and I only had 8 uses left from last month. So I actually used this eyeshadow a couple of times on my girls. I was doing little like face paints using eyeliner, and I used this to draw a carrot on a snowman twice. So that's how I kind of helped move things along a little bit. But I'm so excited because I think this has been in this project since close to the beginning of me starting this entire project. And then from the e.l.f. Acai palette, I am panning the 3rd shade in. It looks like I can hit pan on it. It really does. From last month I had 20 uses, and this month I only used it twice, so I have 18 uses to go, so it'll be a little bit longer until I can roll it out, but I'm wondering I might be able to hit pan, so maybe maybe I'll roll it out sooner. It looks like I'm getting close there. There's a pretty good dip there. I normally use this as an eyeliner, but we shall see. From the Nabla Read My Mind palette, I am panning the 1st shade, and I did use this a couple of times this month. I only used it 3 times this month, but I probably could have used it more. I was just enjoying other eyeshadows in my collection, but I have 39 uses until I can roll it out, so it will be a while. And then from the ColourPop and Lizzie McGuire palette, I am panning both the shades Dear Diary and Cutie. Dear Diary I didn't use at all. This is like the 2nd month in a row that I didn't even touch it, so I still have 47 uses to go. And then from the shade Cutie, I used it 1 time, so I have 43 uses until I can roll it out. So unfortunately the progress there is not that exciting. But now for the exciting part, I get to roll in 1 new eyeshadow. So the way I'm going to do this is I have 2 bags here, one with all of my eyeshadow palettes in it and one with numbers in it. So I'm going to start by randomizing the eyeshadow palettes. I think this is the bag with the eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to do just a quick little mix, and we'll see which eyeshadow palette I get. The Violet Voss Sunflower palette. That'll be fun. I'm going to go get that real quick, and I will be right back. Alright, this was in my minis collection, so I have, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 10 shades to choose from, so I'm going to go into my bag here, and whichever number I pick first between the numbers of 1 and 10 is the shade that I will pan. So let me see. This is the shade 31, which I do not have, so I'm just going to keep pulling out until I find one. I am mixing it up here. Alright, 7. Number left to right, so let's see where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got a nice neutral yellow shade. That'll be fun. This is definitely going to be more of a springtime color story. But that's okay. As we're ending winter, we're going into spring, so it'll be fun as we're heading into spring. I mean, this shade here is even more of a summertime. And then, so from the ColourPop palettes, I am panning the shades Dear Diary and Cutie. So we've got a green and a pink. Yeah, this is definitely more of a springy summer color story. From the Nabla Read My Mind palette, panning the 1st shade, I've got the gold shade, which I could totally use all year round, but this is definitely more of the color story I'd like to have in the springtime. And then from the e.l.f. Acai palette, the 3rd shade in, and I mean this shade here is more of a fall winter shade, but there's the color story. I can see this being a very pretty look for spring and summer. hopefully, I mean, I can use it enough in like all the individual shades for the wintertime to incorporate into looks. But I'm glad to have a matte back in. I know for a while there I was only panning mattes, and now I am panning shimmers. It felt like the last couple of months it was all shimmers, and so we've got a matte back in play. So I think this will be fun. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you. So hit that subscribe button and then like and comment. It helps my videos, and I enjoy conversation. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.